Hi everyone, welcome to the 47th session of Python for Machine Learning. In this session, we'll learn about the data versus information comparison. So what is data? Data refers to a factual information in raw unsynthesized form, and which is basically the unprocessed data or the unstructured data. Whereas information refers to the data that has been synthesized, analyzed, structured or summarized. Well, it's important to note that the terms data and information often are used interchangeably, but there is a distinction. Data refers to raw unprocessed numbers, measurements, text, logs, or anything, whereas information refer to data that are processed, organized, which are structured, or which is that is presented in a specified context. And the process where we transform the data into information is called data analysis. Data analysis does not necessarily mean using a complicated computer analysis package. It means that taking the data that collect and looking at them in the context of the question that you need to answer. Well, for example, if you need to know whether your program is meeting its objective or if it's on track, you would look at your program's target, like in supervised learning, and then compare it to the actual value, like we compare the predicted value and the actual value, and this is called analysis. Then we take one step further and we talk about the data interpretation. We talk about the data interpretation through our analysis, and we find that the program achieved a certain percentage of the target. Then we need to find out why, and that is the question we need to answer. Even if you have the huge amount of data and the best quality data, it means nothing if it's not properly analyzed. So I hope you understand the basic difference between the data and information. Whatever I have explained is present in the summary of this video. So please feel free to go through them. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching this session. If you feel this video helpful, please press the like button and also subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.